Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn Espinosa if you didn't know, and if you did, welcome back. So for today's vlogmas is vlogmas 11, 12. What's today's date?
.13.
Today's vlogmas 13, day 13, and quickly disclaimer, I'm sorry for posting vlogmas 11 and 12 late. I combined them together because it was the weekend and I just decided to do it together. Cause Sunday I didn't really vlog a lot cause y'all see it in the vlog. It's a special moment. Why can you take that out? So for today, vlogmas day 13, I'm gonna be cooking picadio and I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do it. So first I grabbed the potatoes, I washed them, and now that they're washed, I'm gonna cut them. And all I do is this, like this. I don't have a peeler. I don't do all that. I do it the old way, the old school way. I just go like this, and I just keep doing that. And I just keep doing that until all my potatoes are cut. So I'm gonna cut like 4 to 5 potatoes because I'm making picadillo like I said. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna cut carrots. And it's the same thing. I just wash them, I cut the stems, I cut the ends, and then I take the skin off. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm about to watch a Christmas movie with Moy. Say hi, Moy.
Hi, guys.
So yeah, Moy's with me right now, y'all. And we're about to watch a Christmas movie. We're watching Love Something. I'll tell y'all the movie later. But right now I'm just gonna do that, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Bye. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna use to cook the ground beef. Mo, you can come out. So basically, I'm gonna need garlic powder because I don't have garlic. Onion, 4 tomatoes, and chile chipotle. And I already cut all the onions, all the potatoes and carrots. And I already defrosted the carne molida, so now I just have to put it to cook. So I'm just gonna cut the tomatoes. And I put them in there. I already washed them, so now there. Four tomatoes. Now I gotta cut the onion.
Legacy. I'm bald.
You're bald.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put onion. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge. And then this I do it afterwards when everything's cooking. Oh no, I forgot to add the chili chipotle. Boy. I just forgot to add the chili chipotle.
The chili chipotle.
So it's just literally like.
You'll see one more day of a full day.
Of what?
School. Alright, then. Chili chipotle.
So I put more than 2. I put like 4. Cause that should be good. And now I'm just gonna put this back in the fridge. Put it in the fridge.
He said you.
Well, I'm telling you to do it. And licuar esto. And now, for the bitch that got a lot to say.
Back to this bitch that had a lot to say about me the other day in the press. Miley, what's good?
Hey, We're all in this industry. We all do interviews, and we all know how they manipulate. Nikki, congrats.
Now I'm gonna put to cook the ground beef.
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
So let me show you how it looks.
Es natural, ya pues natural.
Plug it in. Put it in, y'all. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to cook. When it's done cooking, like literally finished cooking, I put in all the veggies and the sauce that I just made with the tomates and all that. So all I have to do is just wait for this to cook. All right, y'all. So the ground beef already cooked. So now I have to add the veggies. Just like so. And you move it. Like that. And then we add the sauce. And then we fill up the licuadora with water. And we fill it up to our liking. Sorry guys, I dropped some. But do more. Let's see how much water I need to add. Just a little bit more. Not that much. I'll just add this much more. That's it. And then now, it's all filled. We add some garlic powder because I don't have garlic. Here, I'm gonna put this up. And then I'm gonna take y'all off the pollo seasoning. So now I add some of the chicken flavor seasoning. Like that. And then I move it. Like so. And then, tapa y'all. Y le subo un poquito más al volume. And we let it cook for like a good 20 to 25 minutes. Or 30. It depends. I'll be back when it's cooking. So the food is almost ready. As y'all can see, it's like boiling a lot. I'm gonna just leave it for like a little 5 minutes more and then check on them. But yeah, that kind of spilled. Don't mind that. But yeah, guys, I'll show you like the end result. So this is the ending.
You stuck.
Chamarga.
Really uncomfortable. Stop recording me. You have no.
What?
What?
Exactly. That's where you started.
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Basta, basta. Tengo que dominar mis sentimientos. Tengo que hacerlo. Porque entre ser y no ser, yo soy.
I don't want his pork chop. I want his life.
Hey y'all, so once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this video was a little lame. I say that every vlogmas, but I am truly sorry. Leave that in the comments. Any video ideas y'all want me to do. I'm gonna try once I get paid to do better, interesting things for Christmas. But yeah, guys, down in the comments what you cooked today. I'm gonna see what everyone else been cooking. I'm so ready for Christmas, y'all. Well, not really. I still have to go shopping for presents. So far, I only bought the present that I needed to buy for the girl from work, cause we're doing a Secret Santa. But that's the only present I bought so far. I need to go Christmas shopping. But yeah, guys, I'll let you go. Y'all have a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.